So I'll play it for you and then I'll show you how to play it. And what that is a set of arpeggios, and you have A minor, and then you have F major, and you have G major, and then A minor again. But that first A minor is a second inversion, because for A minor you have A, C, E, starting on the A here, and then every other white key is A, C, E, and then this octave, same A, C, E, but you have the E up here at the top, which is the fifth. So that's the second inversion of an A minor. And then you go to a standard F major. So starting on the F and then every other white key. Another octave. And then the other F up here is another octave of F. All that up to a G major, and then you move all that up again to another A minor with the standard A minor where you have the A at the base. And then back to the second inversion of the A minor.